There are certain times when it's more convenient to type your command instead of speaking it. For instance, when you are in a meeting or at a public place, it feels a bit more convenient to communicate with Siri using a text command. Besides, some people always prefer to communicate using text command. If you're one of them, you'd be super glad to know that you can now enable the Type to Siri with just a quick tap in iOS 18 on your iPhone or iPad. That said, let me show you how it's done the quick way. So first up, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Now select Accessibility. Then under Physical and Motor section, select the Touch option. Then select Assistive Touch, and after that you have to turn on the toggle right next to Assistive Touch. Then tap on Single Tap. Then you have to scroll down a bit and choose Type to Siri and then quit the Settings app. From now onward, you can enable the Type to Siri by just tapping once on the Assistive Touch icon, just like this. Super cool, isn't it? And once you have got access to Type to Siri, you can communicate with Siri by just typing your request. And when you want to disable it, just tap on the empty area of the screen, and that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.